This is Sivakumar, 12th Standard Business Mathematics and Statistics, Chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.2. Now, problem number 14. You are given the marginal cost C dash of x and marginal revenue R dash of x. And the fixed cost is given, that is equal to 120 rupees. You are asked to find the profit function. Okay, marginal cost, that is MC, marginal revenue is MR. Let it be number 1 and 2. Okay. Now equation 1 implies C dash of x can be replaced by dc by dx. That is equal to marginal cost and dc by dx are same. That is equal to 5 plus 0.13x. Which implies dc equals, just cross multiply 5 plus 0.13x into dx. Now variables are separated. Now have to integrate on both sides. Integral dc, integral 5 plus 0.13x dx. Integration of dc equals c. 5 dx integration, right? 5 as it is, integral dx is x, plus 0.13 as it is, x power 1 integration is x power 2 by 2. Okay, the formula we have applied over here is integral x power n dx, that is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here, once the integration is over, you have to introduce the constant k. Then cost in terms of x, so you have to introduce c of x. Right, let it be number 3. Now you are given that fixed cost. Today I told you, when you are given fixed cost, you have to consider x as 0. Given c of x, that is equal to 200 when x equals 0. What it is? This fixed cost means c of x. So x should be considered as 0. Substitute in equation number 3. Equation number 3 implies c of x can be replaced by 200, that is equal to 5 into x value 0 plus 0.13 into 0 square 0 divided by 2 plus k. 200, that is equal to 5 into 0, 0, 0 into anything 0, altogether 0 plus k. So what is the value of k? K, that is equal to 200. Now we got the value of k. I am going to substitute the value of k in equation number 3. Therefore, equation number 3 implies c of x, that is equal to 5x plus 0.13 x squared by 2 plus k. What is the value of k? 200. Since k, that is equal to 200. Okay. Now equation number 2, here it is equation number 2, which implies mr, that is equal to dr by dx, that is equal to 18. Okay. Now I am retaining dr in the left hand side. You just cross multiply 18 dx. Then variables are separated. Then you have to integrate on both sides. Integral dr, that is equal to 18 integral dx. Integral dr, that is equal to r, 18 is a constant, right? As it is, integral dx is x. Then you can introduce the constant. Already we have introduced k over here. I am introducing k1. Okay, let it be number 4. To find the constant k1, no such condition is given in the question. So that consider if the r in terms of x, write r of x. Consider r of x, that is equal to 0 when x, that is equal to 0. Therefore, equation number 4 implies r of x, that is equal to 0. Then 18 into x, x that is equal to 0 plus k1. So 0, that is equal to 18 into 0, 0 plus k1. Therefore, k1, that is equal to 0. Now substitute the value of k1 in equation number 4. Therefore, equation 4 implies r of x, that is equal to 18x plus k1, since k1, that is equal to 0. Now You are asked to find out the profit function. Therefore, profit P, that is equal to profit formula, revenue minus cost. That revenue, here it is 18x minus C of x, here it is 5x plus 0.13 x squared by 2 plus 200. Right, don't forget you have to write the expression inside the brackets, because outside the bracket we have the sign minus. That minus is common for each and every term. So 18x, write as it is, then you have to multiply by minus. Minus into 5x, minus 5x, minus into plus minus 0.13 x squared by 2, minus into 200, minus 200. Then these two like terms, 18x minus 5x, that is equal to 13x, minus 0.13 by 2 you can divide, that is equal to 0.13 by 2, 0.13 by 2, that is equal to 0.065 x squared. I do the calculation over here. 0.13 divided by 2, 0.1 cannot be, so that 0, you take 13, 6 2s are 12, balance 1, then 1 cannot be divided by, sorry, you can put 0 over here, then 5 2s are 10. Anyway, you can make use of the calculator. You can write that 0.13 divided by 2 equals 0.065 x squared minus, actually I made a small mistake over here. Look at that. Fixed cost you are given 120, instead of 120 I have written 200 by mistake. Just we can change it, 120 only, 120, 120, k value, that is equal to 120, here 120 only, since k value is 120. Isn't all correct? Here instead of 200 I have to write 120. Okay, 120, 120, 120. Sorry. So which implies P, that profit P, that is equal to 13x together 18x minus 5x, that is equal to 13x minus 0.065 x square minus 120. That's all. Problem number 14 is over. I'll be teaching the next problem in the next video. Thank you, children. Students, this is Sivakumar, 12th Standard Business Mathematics and Statistics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.2. Now, problem number 15. You are given the marginal revenue, that is R dash of x. Find the revenue function and average revenue function. Revenue and average revenue. Okay. MR equals R dash of x, which implies dr by dx equals 1500 minus 4x minus 3x square, which implies dr equals 1500 minus 4x minus 3x square cross multiply dx, integrating on both sides. The integral dr, that is equal to 1500 minus 4x minus 3x square dx. You know the integration of dr is r. 1500 into dx integration is 1500 into x, because integral dx is x, minus 4 constant x dx integration, what is in the power? 1. So 1 becomes 2, sorry, x squared by 2, minus 3, write as it is, x squared becomes x power 3 by 3. Once the integration is over, introduce the constant k. For these two, we applied the formula integral x power n. Integral x power n dx equals x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. 3 get cancelled. 4 table how many times? 2 times. So r equals 1500x minus 2x squared minus x cube plus k. Let it be number 1. So revenue in terms of x, so introduce x here. Here first you have to find out the value of k. No such condition is given for finding the value of k. When in that case you have to consider r of x equal to 0 when x equal to 0. Therefore equation 1 implies substitute r of x equal to 0. Substitute x equal to 0. 1500 into 0, 0. 0 square 0 into 2, 0. 0 cube is 0. Altogether 0. 0 plus k. Therefore what is the value of k? 0. Therefore equation 1 implies r of x equals, replace k by 0. So you'll be getting r of x equal 1500x minus 2x squared minus x cube. Since the value of k is 0. 1500x minus 2x squared minus x cube. Since k value equals 0. And average revenue function. So one answer is over. Now average revenue. And average revenue AR equals R of x by x. Here R of x. 1500x minus 2x squared minus x cube divided by x. So each and every term should be divided by x. You can directly write 1500 x get cancelled minus 2x squared by x equal to 2x minus x cube by x, that is x squared. That's all. That is average revenue. So problem number 15 is over. I'll be teaching the next problem in the next video. Thank you, children. Students, this is Sivakumar, 12th standard business mathematics and statistics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.2. Now problem number 16. Find the revenue function and the demand function if the marginal revenue for x units is MR equals 10 plus 3x minus x square. We know that MR, that is a marginal revenue, can be replaced by dr by dx, that is equal to 10 plus 3x minus x square. dr equals 10 plus 3x minus x squared into dx. You just cross multiply. After that, the separation of variables, you have to integrate on both sides. Integral dr equals integral 10 plus 3x minus x squared into dx. Integral dr, that is equal to r. 10 into dx. 10 constant as it is, integral dx is x. 3 constant as it is, x power 1 integration, you know very well, x power 2 by 2, just add 1 with the power, minus x square integration, x power 2 plus 1, 3, and divide by 3. Which formula I have applied? We know that integral x power n dx equals x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Once the integration is over, as usual, you have to introduce the constant k. And let it be number 1. Revenue in terms of x, so you can write r of x. First you have to find out the value of k. So no condition is given for finding the value of k. So consider r of x equals 0 when x equals 0. Substitute in equation number 1. So 1 implies r of x equal to 0. 0 equals 10 into 0, 0. If we replace x by 0, will be getting 0 here. Here also 0. So altogether 0. So 0 equals 0 plus k. 0 equals 0 plus k, which implies k equals 0. Therefore, equation 1 implies substitute the value of k in equation number 1. R of x equals 10x plus 3x squared by 2 minus x cube by 3 plus k. What is the value of k? K that is equal to 0. Since k that is equal to 0. So we got the revenue function. This is one answer. Then you have to find out the demand function. And demand function, you know the formula, demand function equals P equals R of x by x. Demand function and average revenue, same formula only. For demand function you can write P that is equal to R of x by x. Average revenue AR equals R of x by x, same formula only here. R of x can be replaced by 10x plus 3x squared by 2 minus x cube by 3 whole divided by x. Equals 10x by x plus 3x squared by 2 by x minus x cube by 3 by x. X cancel, 1x cancelled, here 1x get cancelled, we'll be getting x squared. See here 10 plus 3x by 2 minus x squared by 3. So problem number 16 is completed. I'll be teaching the next problem in the next video. Thank you, children. Students, this is Sivakumar, 12th Standard Business Mathematics and Statistics, Chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.2. Now problem number 17. You are given the marginal cost and the fixed cost also given, that is 18,000 rupees. You are asked to find out TC and AC, that is total cost and average cost. Okay. MC can be replaced by DC by DX. 14,000 divided by root of 7x plus 4. Then DC equals 14,000 divided by root of 7x plus 4 can be written as 7x plus 4 power half. Both same only, into dx. Now variables are separated. Now you can integrate on both sides. Integral dc equals, the constant is 14,000, write the constant outside the integral. This expression has to be retained in numerator. Before integration, the expression has to be retained in numerator. So 7x plus 4 power half comes to the numerator, 7x plus 4 whole power minus half dx as it is. Now we can integrate. Integral dc is c equals 14,000. What form it is? We know that integral ax plus b whole power n into dx equals first one by a is a coefficient of x, into ax plus b whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. You have to apply the formula. Okay, 1 by a is the coefficient of x, that is 7. Ax plus b, this is ax plus b, I mean 7x plus 4 whole power n plus 1, this is n, minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1 plus the constant k as usual. Now I have to simplify. C that is equal to 14,000 into 1 by 7. It can divide by 7 table. How many times? 2,000 times. 2,000 into 1 is 2,000 into 7x plus 4. 1 minus half. 1 minus half, that is equal to plus half divided by plus half. I do the calculation here. Minus of plus 1 equals minus 1 plus 2 ones are 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 plus k. C, that is equal to 2000. Division becomes multiplication, 1 by 2 reciprocal 2 by 1. 2 by 1 equals 2. 7x plus 4 whole power half, we can write 7x plus 4 inside the square root. Root of 7x plus 4 and 7x plus 4 power half are same, plus k, which implies C equals 2000 into 2 equals 4000 into root of 7x plus 4 plus k. Let it be number 1. So cost in terms of x, so write C of x. Here you are given fixed cost. If you are given fixed cost, you have to consider x value as 0 and C of x value as 18,000 by data. When x equal to 0, remember, if you are given fixed cost, you have to consider x equal to 0, then fixed cost value, that is C of x. C of x, that is equal to 18,000. Now substitute in equation number 1. Okay, listen. C of x equals 18,000, that is equal to 18,000 equals 4,000 into 7x, x value 0 plus 4 plus k. 18,000, that is equal to 4,000 into 7 into 0, 0, 0 plus 4, that is 4 plus k. 18,000, that is equal to 4,000. You know the square root of 4. What is the square root of 4? 2 plus k. 18,000, that is equal to 4,000 into 2, that is equal to 8,000 plus k. 18,000 plus 8,000 comes left hand side, minus 8,000, that is equal to k. 18,000 minus 8,000, that is equal to 10,000. 10,000 equals k, or you can write k equals 10,000. Now substitute the value of k in equation number 1. Therefore, equation 1 implies C of x equals 4,000 into root of 7x plus 4 plus k. K. What is the value of k? 10,000 plus 10,000. This is the cost function. One answer is over. TC means total cost. Total cost and cost are same. Then you have to find out average cost. And average cost AC, that is equal to C of x by x. Here C of x, write as it is. 4,000 into root of 7x plus 4 plus 10,000 divided by x. Nothing can be simplified, so write as it is. So problem number 17 is over. I will be teaching the next problem in the next video. Thank you, children. Hi students, this is Sivakumar. 12th standard business mathematics and statistics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.2. Now problem number 18. The marginal cost MC of a production of the company is directly proportional to the number of units X produced. So MC is directly proportional to X. Then find the total cost function when the fixed cost is 5,000 rupees and the cost of producing 50 units is 5625. So marginal cost is directly proportional to the value X. So X refers number of units produced, which implies that MC can be replaced by DC by DX. That is equal to Kx. That K refers proportionality constant, where K is a proportionality constant, which implies I am retaining DC in the left hand side, cross multiply Kx into dx. So variables are separated. So C in one side, X in other side. Now we have to integrate on both sides. Integral DC equals, since dx is there, x alone function. What about k? K is a constant, so can write outside the integral, k into x dx. Integral DC, that is equal to C, you know very well. K write as it is. X power 1 integration, you have to apply the formula integral x power n dx, that is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So x power 1 plus 1, that is 2 divided by 2. Generally, once the integration is over, you are introducing the constant k. Instead of k, I am introducing k1 because already we have k. Okay, so that I am introducing k1. Let it be number 1. C in terms of x, so that you can write C of x. So I have to find out C of x only. See, to find the total cost function. For finding C of x, you must be knowing the values of k as well as k1. For finding k and k1, you have to apply these conditions. First condition, fixed cost is 5,000. So by data, when fixed cost given now, you have to consider x as 0. When x that is equal to 0, fixed cost, that is C of x, that is equal to 5,000. Therefore, equation 1 implies C of x equal to 5,000, that is equal to x should be replaced by 0, 0 square is 0, 0 into anything 0 plus k1. So what is the value of k1? K1 that is equal to 5,000. Substitute the value of k1 in equation number 1. Therefore, equation 1 implies C of x that is equal to kx squared by 2 plus k1. What is the value of k1? 5,000. Let it be number 2. Now I am going to find k. How to find k? Second condition, what is given? Cost of producing 50 units is 5625. This is a cost, this is a number of units. When x that is equal to 50, this is number of units, correct? C of x that is equal to 5,625. Substitute in equation number 2. Therefore, equation 2 implies, what is in the left hand side? C of x. C of x equal 5625. 5625, that is equal to k into x squared by 2. X value is 50 plus 5,000. Look at that. X squared by 2, x value is 50. So 50 squared by 2 plus 5,000. We have to simplify and find the value of k. 5625, the 5,000 comes to the left hand side. You have to write minus 5,000, that is equal to k into 50 square, that is equal to 2,500 divided by 2. 2 table 1,250. 5625 minus 5,000, that is equal to 625. That is equal to k into 1250, which implies 625 divided by 1250, that is equal to k. Here 625 table 1 time, 2 times, which implies k that is equal to 1 by 2. We got the value of k also. Therefore, substitute the values of k and k1 in equation number 1. That is the final answer. 1 implies, what is here? C of x that is equal to kx squared by 2. K value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 x squared by 2 plus k1. What is the value of k1? 5000 equals 1 into x squared divided by 2 2s are 4 plus 5000. That is the total cost function. Problem number 18 is over. So next problem will be taken in the next class. Thank you, children. Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 12th standard business mathematics and statistics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.2. Now problem number 19. You are given marginal revenue MR. You are asked to find only the total revenue function. Okay. MR and dr by dx are seen, that is equal to 20 minus 5x plus 3x square. So dr equals 20 minus 5x plus 3x square into dx, it cross multiplied. So variables are separated, or in one side and x in other side. Now you can integrate on both sides. Integral dr, that is equal to integral 20 minus 5x plus 3x square into dx. We know the integration of dr, that is equal to r. Then integral 20 dx, right? 20 as it is, integral dx is x minus 5 as it is, x power 1 integration x power 2 divided by 2 plus 3, x square integration x power 3 divided by 3. After the integration you have to introduce the constant k. For these two have applied the formula x power n dx, that is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. 3 get cancelled. So which implies or, that is equal to 20x minus 5x squared by 2 plus x cube plus k. So revenue in terms of x, so you write r of x. To find k, no such condition is given for finding the value of k. In that case, consider r of x equal to 0 when x equal to 0. Therefore, equation 1 implies replace r of x equal to 0, 0 equals, substitute x also 0, 20 into 0, 0. If you replace x by 0, you will be getting 0 over here. Here also 0 cube is 0. So altogether 0 plus k. Therefore, k equals 0. Substitute the value of k in equation number 1. Therefore, r of x, this is the total revenue. You are asked to find out the total revenue. Okay, r of x equals 20x minus 5x squared by 2 plus x cube. That's all, because the value of k is 0. You just write the reason, since k equals 0. Problem number 19 is over. I'll be teaching the problem number 20 in the next video. Thank you, children. Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 12th standard business mathematics and statistics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.2. Now problem number 20, last problem. You are given marginal revenue. Find the demand function. 19th sum, you are given marginal revenue. You are asked to find out that revenue function. In 20th, you are given MR, but you are asked to find out the demand function. Okay. Marginal revenue can be replaced by dr by dx, that is equal to 14 minus 6x plus 9x squared. dr, let be cross multiply 14 minus 6x plus 9x squared into dx. Variables are separated. Now we have to integrate on both sides. Integral dr equals integral 14 minus 6x plus 9x squared into dx. Integral dr equals r. 14 into dx integration, 14 as it is, integral dx is x, minus 6 as it is, x power 1 integration, x power 1 plus 1, that is 2 divided by 2, plus 9 constant x square dx integration x power 2 plus 1, that is 3 divided by 3. For these two have applied the formula integral x power n dx, that is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Integration is over, so we have to introduce the constant k. 3 table you can cancel 3 times, 2 table you can cancel 3 times. So r, that is equal to 14x minus 3x squared plus 3x cube plus k. So revenue in terms of x, so write r of x and let it be number 1. First we have to find out the value of k. To find k, no condition is given here. So consider r of x equal to 0 when x equal to 0. Therefore equation 1 implies r of x value 0. Then substitute x equals 0. 14 into 0 0. 3 into 0 square 0. 3 into 0 cube, that is 0. So altogether 0 plus k, which implies k is equal to 0. Therefore equation 1 implies r of x, that is equal to 14x minus 3x square plus 3x cube plus k. What is the value of k? 0. Since k, that is equal to 0. So once you know the value of revenue, we can find the demand function. Therefore demand function formula p, that is equal to r of x by x. R of x, here it is 14x minus 3x square plus 3x cube whole divided by x. So what is the answer? You can directly write the answer. P equals 14 x by x, 1x get cancelled, xx get cancelled, 14 minus 3x squared by x, 1x get cancelled, 3x plus 3 x cube by x, that is equal to x squared. That's all. So problem number 20 is over. Okay.